Vietnam's booming e-commerce industry and fast-growing consumer market have made express delivery one of the most essential services in logistics. For foreign investors, setting up an express delivery company in Vietnam is highly attractive, but the process requires strict compliance with licensing and sector-specific regulations. The very first step for foreign investors is to establish a legal entity in Vietnam. This requires obtaining two important documents: the Investment Registration Certificate, also known as the IRC, which allows you to invest legally in Vietnam, and the Enterprise Registration Certificate, or ERC, which officially registers your company as a legal business entity under Vietnamese law. These licenses provide the legal foundation for operating delivery services and allow your company to officially conduct business under Vietnamese law. When registering your company, you must select business lines under the VSIC codes for postal and courier services. If you plan to provide nationwide or cross-border delivery, you must also register logistics-related codes to cover the full scope of your services. Choosing the correct scope ensures compliance and prevents costly amendments later. Vietnam allows 100% foreign ownership for express delivery services, but certain domestic courier activities may be subject to restrictions. In addition to company registration, express delivery providers must apply for a postal license from the Ministry of Science and Technology. This license is mandatory for companies offering courier services, parcel transport, and e-commerce deliveries. Without the postal license, you simply cannot operate legally. There is no fixed minimum capital for express delivery companies, but your declared capital must reflect the size of your operations. In practice, small to medium express companies often declare from $100,000 to $300,000 United States dollars. While large-scale operations handling nationwide delivery networks may require higher capital. Authorities may also check whether your declared capital can cover essential investments such as vehicles, warehouses, and technology systems needed for operations. Every express delivery company must also have a registered illegal head office in Vietnam, supported by a valid lease agreement. For nationwide operations, you will also need regional offices, sorting centers, or warehouses to support your logistics network. Virtual offices can be used for initial registration, but physical facilities are required for obtaining the postal license and passing inspections. Compliance does not end with setup. Express delivery providers must continue to comply with Vietnam's postal law, transport safety regulations, and labor law. Companies must ensure proper handling of parcels, data security for e-commerce deliveries, and maintain customer service hotlines. Failure to comply with these requirements may lead to penalties, suspension of operations, or even revocation of the postal license. For example, a foreign-owned delivery company working with major e-commerce platforms must complete the legal entity registration with the correct business scope. Secure a head office and at least one sorting hub, apply for the postal license before launching operations, and invest in tracking systems, customer service, and logistics safety. Following these steps ensures the company can operate smoothly, meet client expectations, and remain fully compliant with Vietnamese law. At LTS Law, we guide foreign investors through every step of setting up express delivery companies in Vietnam. From preparing investment and enterprise registrations, applying for the postal license, arranging compliant facilities, to ensuring ongoing compliance with transport and labor law. With our expertise, investors can avoid unnecessary delays, costly mistakes, and legal risks. Don't let complex regulations delay your entry into Vietnam's fast-growing delivery market. Contact LTS Law today or visit lts.com.vn for a free consultation. Your express delivery company will be established legally, smoothly, and ready to serve Vietnam's booming e-commerce and logistics sector.